This short tutorial covers the documentary film assignment for adolescent literature. For this assignment, you will find a documentary that interests you. Remember that the documentary must be created by adolescents and/or about adolescents. Your choice, but this needs to be an assignment that relates only to those particular criteria. Date doesn't matter. Nothing matters except that it is a documentary about adolescents or made by adolescents. Okay, so these are some suggestions. Go to Google, find the library resources. You're going to write one paragraph that summarizes the documentary in your own words. And then you'll write one second paragraph that explains the bias of this documentary in your own words. Remember that you want to include your name, course, date, and word count for this so that this counts towards your word count for the semester. Now here's an example of how I might find a documentary. And I'm going to go through that process with you. This is going to take a second. I go to Google and I type in documentary films about adolescents. I click on this page and I notice that these documentaries are a little dated, but that's all right because the date of the documentary is not important. I'm interested in this, so I copy this, I paste it into Google, and I see that there is the YouTube, and I can watch that and then complete the process. That's just one way of finding a documentary. There are 1,000 other ways, and you all are wonderful about that. Remember, you can always go to your cyber cafe and visit with other students and find out what process they are using. However, don't use the same documentary that they're using. Find one of your own. Find something that interests you, that is about adolescents or created by adolescents. And remember that you are going to link this video to your understanding of bias. You'll find that information in a page above this assignment in the study modules for this particular week. I'm excited! Remember, name and word count.